Alright guys, I've just had a shower, I'm super relaxed, listening to good some music, cause you know what time it is. Daily in isolation, boys! And I've just burst everyone's eardrums. Anyway, last episode was very scary for me, I got scared a lot. So like towards like the last hour or maybe 45 minutes of the video, I didn't speak, I just didn't speak. I just concentrated on not dying. And in that video I did die about like 3-4 times, which makes the total deaths I've had about 3 or 4. I'm not sure, but it's one of those. And this is all good. So I believe we're going this way. So let's just continue, I guess. And yeah, we got a new stuff. We got some gas torch and a plasma torch in the same video. Now it turns out there is no achievement for mission 9 and mission 8. So I'm just going to have to judge how long the video's been and cut it off for that. I want it to be around an hour long, cause yeah. Right. Oh man. Right. Restore power to the lab. And the aliens clambering around, so it's time to get scared, boys. So this game's scary, obviously, but it's scary in different ways for different people. I think for me, it's the constant threat rather than jump scares and things like that. Now that I've said that, I'm probably gonna get jump scared within like 2 minutes of going on through here. Anyway, I'm gonna keep talking to stop my nerves getting too high. I think that's what happened last time. I just got a bit too nervous for once, and then it's Bishop. The Queen took Bishop. That's what happened to Bishop in the first one, I believe. I haven't seen them. I would like to see them, however, they're not on Netflix, and I don't know where I can see them and things. Is this a gun? Are you a pew pew thingy? No? Okay. Alright. Let's continue through the spookiness. Ah, there's a vent there. There's a hiding place there. We're going the right way. I like to check that I'm... Oh. Basically, alright, so there's a big circle we have to go around. Okay. This is like, we went back, this circular thing. Do you remember that short indie game that came out quite recently? I don't know if you've seen it or anything. Played it? I haven't played it. I've seen it on YouTube, but I haven't played it. Not interesting enough for me. Is this it? Synthesis lab? Synthesis. I can't speak, so yeah. And I hear a save point as well. We'll get that quickly. I think when, like, the alien that we can hear clanging around now, it's just following us. It isn't actually trying to get us, if you know what I mean. So, like, it isn't always going to be attacking us and things. There are going to be times when it's just following us to try and find us. I don't know if I'm right about that. I'm probably going to die, like, in a couple of seconds now that I've said that, but... yeah, it sounds like it. Oh well. I'm just looking around to see if there's any other collectibles and things. There's these things, obviously. Ugh. I reckon there's a dead guy up there. You just start hearing splat and it's like... Splat? What? What is splatting? It's a bit spooky though. Let's not go near that. That seems to be the bad. Can we just like crawl on? Oh no, there's something in the way. We can't play Ring Around the Roses. Did I search this? Yeah. Doo-ba-doo-doo. There is a vent there. Oh, he is in here. Oh, that's not helpful. Can he actually get to us from there though? Oh, we're looking there. Okay, well, let's go quickly and do this. Okay, now we hide. Just quickly.
That's it. I can see a power spike. Now, reconnect the lab systems to Sebastopol from the console in the central lab. We're counting on you, Ripley.
Yeah, and I'm counting on the alien to not have twigged onto my thing yet. Activate the primary alarm system. Why? Okay, so I need to go back all the way around and into there. That's a really weird setup. Where's our alien boy? Oh, he's there. He's just there. Right, well, if he's there, we're gonna go. I'm gonna save again. How did you get in here? That's not my flamethrower. God damn it. How did he get it? Oh, because this door's open. I can't believe that. he just walks through the door. Aye, that's right. The frame rate drops loads there. Oh, and the alien's gonna be there when we turn around. Hang on. Where? Where is he? Seems to have disappeared. Okay, so he doesn't seem to stay in the same place. Right, hang on. Is there a quicker way to get to there? Yes, there is. It's this way. I'm just gonna sneak around. That was just unlucky. I didn't realise this door was open. Didn't even realise it was a door. Oh. Okay. Oh no, yeah, this is fine. Let's go get him, boys. Oh yeah, he's over there, What you doing, Mr. Alien? Okay, that doesn't help. What am I trying to do, though? It'll be one of these. It'll probably be that green thing. But I want to be certain where our boy is. He's slowly getting closer. Oh. There he is. I'm not sure how he works with the tables. I think it's just if you move too much, he hears you and then he comes under and he's like, hello, give me a kiss, boy. Now, we all know that the alien's just a love-stricken little boy and he likes Ripley. So we're just gonna not let him know that we're here. So he's literally just stood there? Oh no, he's going over there. It's fine by me, mate. You go that way, yeah. I need to press some buttons. Where's he gone? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, I need to use security access tune. Oh, he's coming back. He's coming back. Abort. 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 Oh. Oh. Abort. Abort. Oh, wait, no, never mind. It's okay. Alright, let's find it. There it is. Hang on. Come on. Boop. 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 Alright. The table? Oh, I can't get the table. Doesn't let me, it's like no. Alright, now we need to get out of here. So we need to go through that door, directly ahead and right. And then we should get out, okay. It's just about to, however, we have a visitor. Should we see if we can, like, just walk away? Best idea yet. Just walk away. Or rather sneak away, I guess. Yeah, sneak away.
I'm sorry, Ripley.
Why did you do that? Don't do this to me! Oh, are we falling? Whoa, we're falling! Oh! We're in space! Are we in space? Holy Jesus. Oh, this is bad. Are we in space? Alright, where's the airlock? Hang on. Okay, it's literally on the other side of this place. Am I injured? Oh, this is gonna make me dizzy. This is really bad, and that guy is a poopy head. He's a poopy head for doing this to me. But where's the alien then? Yeah, he's still in here. Pressurized airlock. How? Do I press this button? Where you at, alien? Oh, you're over there. You wanna go, son? You wanna go? I burned him! This is not fair. He's just like, nah, I'm gonna get you. I know you're low on ammo. He's like, you're low on ammo, boy, I'm gonna get you. Just wait for these frame rates to finish what it's doing. I'm gonna see if I can fully oh, we're back here. Oh, I'm gonna have to do this again. Where are we going? Alright, I'll do this again quickly, and I'll get back with you when I've done it. Okay. Oh, for God's sake! I can't believe this. Oh, bruh. Me thinking I'm dead. She's gonna charge us. Why is it so slow? Why did they have to make it so slow? Get to the airlock. I'm in the airlock, man. Alright, achievement unlocked. Bait. Oh, wait, hang on. Oh. Pressurize the airlock. Open it. Oh, we're in a suit. We're in a suit, lads. Whee! Oh, that was good aim. Ooh. Oh my god, that was good aim. Wow. Oh, we're on 60 frames per second though. Wait, how is there any gravity? Or is this space station moving, causing, like, things? Come on, Ripley, you can do it! Oh, that's gotta be the most stressful thing anyone's ever gone through, I have to say. I'm just gonna check which achievement I got. If Steam would like to work. Oh, so that was the 10th mission. Or part of that was. Apparently we completed 8 and 9 in the last episode. Anyway, let's continue, because obviously this is awesome. Let's change, boys. Let's change. Okay. Now.
Hello? Hello? Can anyone hear me?
Ripley.
Okay.
Is that you?
Yes, wait. Me, you son of a bitch. You locked me in. You blew the lab into space.
I had no choice. No choice at all. You saw that thing. You saw what it could do. I had to get it off the station. By any means necessary.
Yeah. Use me as bait. Leave me to die.
And it goddamn worked, Ripley. It goddamn worked. I got that thing. Jettisoned it into the gas giant. The station's safe.
There's that. And there's the fact that you're a heartless bastard. I'm heading back to the Bureau. We can discuss your methods there. Ripley out.
Whoa. Okay, so there's still 8 missions. We're over halfway. We're over halfway, lads. Oh my god, this has been amazing. I've enjoyed this a lot. Right, seeing as though we're, like, this is episode 9, but we've completed the 10th mission, that's kind of unfortunate, because now I don't really know where I'm going and what I'm doing. But now, we can, oh, I don't have the iron torch. I was about to say, now we can explore a bit more, but no. Are we back at the start of the game? Is this like where we started it and things? Let's have a look. Is there anything we can do? There's an exclamation mark over here. Ah! Yeah, I think we are. Oh, this is cool. I like this. It means we can get all the stuff we missed. Press A. I'm pressing A. Why is it not working? Just decides not to work on me. Where's my cup? I wondered where my cup was. But it's on my desk. I'm blind. I was going to make a cup of tea and everything. Anywho, we're safe now. Oh, I cannot tell you how de-stressed I am now. That is amazing. There's probably still going to be more things and stuff, you know. Obviously, because there's still 8 missions left. However, yeah, we might be going on to the other spaceship, like Marlowe's and things, and doing stuff there. But I don't know. Anyway, this is probably... I will end this episode soon. Because I want to be, like... Yeah, anyway. Hope you understand. Omega? Why Omega? Ooh! Shotgun! Why do I need a shotgun? I don't like the fact that I need a shotgun, but I have a shotgun. Alright, alright. Okay, we mustn't have been here then, if that's the case. Oh, it looks so cool! We got a shotgun, boys! Yeah. Let me in, let me in. I want to use my shotgun. I don't want to use my shotgun. I don't want to have to use the shotgun. If I have to use the shotgun, that means there's an alien around here. Yeah, this is the start of the game. Yeah, we're here. Oh, this is cool. Alright, let's have a little look around, see if there's anything like we can collect. Like this thing here, for example. We can now get into here. See what is in here. It's dark and spooky, but I like it. Charge pack, bonding agent. Oh, so just, is there nothing helpful in here? Is it just all random stuff? Hello. I would like some helpful things, please. Flamethrower fuel, yes. It's always helpful. Right. It's obvious. I'm gonna say it now. The alien is going to come back. 10 to 1, it's not dead. Because we didn't suffocate it in there. But we should be okay to run around and do stuff for now. Am I going the right way? Yes, I am. Yep, let's continue. Are you friendly? Hang on. Oh, back off, mate.
Is anybody there?
Hey, hey!
What are you doing here?
Alright, he's not friendly. Anyway, I got an achievement, use with caution. One shot him. Love that, boys. Where's the save point? What have I got? Oh, I didn't want the noise maker. I want the shotgun. The shotgun's amazing. Where's the save point? I want to go save first. Here it is. I like how I just full on barreled that guy to death. I just went boom, dead. I'm not scared of anyone now. I have a shotgun. I hope it works on the alien. That would be amazing. Right. Full on exploded. It would have been cool if his head just exploded. That would have been amazing. Is it this way? Yeah, this is the one. Right, let's go. Blew his head off.
thanks to weights.
He's a ruthless son of a bitch, always has been. Stubborn too. If he'd ever listened to me, things would never have gone this far.
It's done now.
I'm sorry for fucking up with the lockdown earlier.
Forget it. You got me out. I'll see you back at the Bureau.
What's all this clanging? Am I going the right way here? Yep, I'm going the right way.
Take a look around. You're outnumbered.
Alright, okay. I'm just having a look. Hey, 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 bros! Bros! Well, I've stepped in it now, haven't I?
Hey, over there.
Boys, I don't want no beef. I'm just here to get through. I don't even know if I'm going the right way. I need to make a med kit as well. I'm like half dead. How do I use it? I hold R, don't I? Health. Hey, hey, bro. Do I have to go this way? Do I have to do something with this? Restore power to the Galera security shutters. Bye, boys. Just leave me be. I will shoot you. I won't kill you. I'll just shoot you. Oh. Why don't I just use a non-lethal attack? Hang on. Boom. Doo-doo-doo. I can stab him to death. Oh, look at him go. Go on, little boy. Can I follow you? I can. Oh, boys. Okay. But what does that do? Hello? Am I in the right place? What? I'm slightly confused. Hang on, what's this? Oh, it's just scrap. Let's get through here. I don't know where I'm going. I don't know what's happening. Where am I now? I don't even know. I'd like to stand up, please. EMP version 2. Alright, we got some more stuff, but I don't really know what I'm doing and where I'm going. So. Ah. Hello. Or maybe we complete the 11th mission today.
I'm about to rain on the parade. Something's up with the androids.
Something's been up with the damn androids since I got here.
No, this is new. They've left their posts. I just saw some of them in a public area. That's not normal.
Great.
Okay.
Watch your back.
That's not good. Definitely not good. It means they're being papoose. Or they just decide or they finally got sick of being pooped on. We're gonna band together, kill the people. Oh, that's it. I was gonna walk past the save point. Alright. Am I going the right way? Not really. But I don't really know any other way to go. Kind of. Hang on. Right, I found a way to go.
It's Ripley. What's going on with the androids?
I don't know.
What about the change in alert status?
Damn it, I don't know. I'm trying to contact Samuels. Maybe he knows what the hell Apollo is playing at.
So something's going down. Something big and bad. Why is my thing glitching? Hang on. Anything up here? Not really. Let's get out. Okay, this door's locked. Good. Or it might be bad. I might be stuck in here with someone. Oh, an ID tag. Yes. Search. Wait, I can search these? Lads, didn't even know that. Anything else going on in here? Ah, yes. Oh, I need to spam E. I forgot about this. just spamming it without even questioning it. I might wear these 3D glasses more often now. I think it's pretty funny. Okay, they're just going around full-on murdering people. Let's have a look in here what we got. Yes! Can't stop me, I'm unstoppable! But where am I going? This way, I am going this way. Alright, let's go. Let's just run as fast as we can. Oh, it's a dead end. Bruh. Yo, 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 what up, my homie? Boom! Yes! Oh, I love this. Don't stop me now, I'm having such a good time. Yes, I'm having a ball. Oh. Well, I don't believe it. Yeah, but I've been that way and there's nothing there. I'm a racing car ready to reload. Like Lady Katana. I'm gonna go, go, go. There's no stopping me. Burning through the— Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, hey, bro, bro. I got no beef with you. So why does it say this is a way out? There's nothing here. Oi! Hey, hey, hey.
Something's moving around out there. Pay attention.
Okay, here we go, boys. Charge him. Charge him. Get him. Dodging and weaving. That didn't do anything. What? Yeah, you better stop, boy. He's not dead. He's just sleeping. Alright? Yep. Yep. Good.
Wait, for God's
Good.
sakes, Apollo's let the androids off the leash. They're attacking on sight.
I don't know what the hell this is. They're not just responding to trespass violations, it's like they're hunting
For who?
for everyone and anyone.
Oof.
Stand by.
Never any good. However, as far as I can tell, I have plenty of ammo for everything. Just got a bit more for my stun baton. So if we reload... Is this the right way? You wanna go, son? I have a stun baton. I missed. I missed. I can't believe it. Get off me! Or you will be beaten. Oh, never mind. He's a master of the fighting arts, aren't you? Come on then. Come on then. I'm gonna blow your arm off. I have no ammo. Oh god. Reload. 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 Stop. In the name of the law. Hey, you're supposed to be dead from that. What do you think you're doing, bro? I'm gonna whack him. Fuck. I just cracked around the edge. Oh, that's brilliant. Yes. You better sit down, boy. Oh, right. Next one we see, that's all we're using. We're gonna sneak up behind him and just gonna clonk him on the head. Oh, that was brilliant. Yes.
Wait, I've got some security shutters in my way. Can you
Yay.
open them? Wait.
You bastards, you murdering bastards, leave him alone! Stand down! You bastards!
Wait!
I'd say Wits is dead. We're on try hard mode now. They've killed the boy who tried to kill me. I was gonna clonk him with my maintenance jack, not whatever you guys are doing. Swear to God, this is so annoying. I'm gonna kill them all. Let me through! What you mean restore power? I did! Let me through. Hey, whoa, whoa, bro! Oh, it's just a guy up there. Where do I go? I'm confused now. Oh, this is annoying. There's the transit stations and things that way. Is this door not open? No entry. Open, please. Alright, I'm very confused. Where do I go now? I'm about to die. Hang on. Let's craft us another medkit. Why does that sound like the alien? but the working jaws are just like, let's be the alien. They can't stop us all. Use the medkit, please. Thank you. Appreciate it. Oh, there's a dead one. Oh, that's the one that no, it's not the one that I killed, but it's a one that died. Can I go this way? No. Yo. Sup, my man? You hiding? Yo, yo, working Joe! She's over here! But the working Joe's helped me. I don't want to kill them. You will. Hey, bro, I don't want to do this. I'm gonna clonk you along the head. Yeah, you better stop. Back up. Thank you. Yeah, you better sleep. Stupid potato. Better be asleep. You better not be dead. If you're dead, you've ruined my achievement. And I will not stand for that. Ooh, hello. Boop. Thank you. I don't give no crap about... Oh, hello. I might have killed the people with the stun baton. That's not good. What's this? Blasting cap. I need a blasting cap. Wait, am I not going the right way? Where do I go? Hello? Well, bro, that's going to be pretty difficult seeing as though the door won't open. Where do I go? I'm so confused. Gone. How inconsiderate. Shut up, stupid working Joe. Trying to eat my toes. They're my toes now. You may have won toe privileges by helping me find that cylinder, but then you went and killed himself, which makes you lose toe privileges, alright? What am I on about? I need mental help. Can someone help me? Can I get in here? Oh my god, where am I going? What am I trying to do? Oh my god. For God's sake, stop it. There is literally no other way to go. Or am I stupid? Oh, I didn't check this door, bro. I need help. Save point! Oogly-doo. We good. What's in here? Bound B. I don't have anything. I can't take any of them. Hang on, there was a button for take all, wasn't there? Ah, flamethrower fuel. Yes. How are all my weapons doing for ammo? Should probably actually like reload them and things. Can I do anything here? Don't really want to read things. Well, we'll check if there's anything. corrupted.
Sneaks, I'm leaving this for you when you wake up. I know that you're still all over the place after that thing came out of Foster, but you've got to stop fucking up like this. You got way too drunk and told those people sleeping in the mall way too much. I dragged you away when I saw the look in their eyes. We can't go back there again. No one can know we're connected to Marlowe and the Isadora.
Oh.
I'll come back once you've dried out.
Alright, where are we going now? Alright, mate. Yeah, you just do your little jog. Oh, this seems like the right way to go. I'm not interfering, I'm just putting you out of action. Thank you. Thank you for cooperating. I appreciate it, you know? It's always helpful. We're gonna have to sneak around soon though. I've only got 2 shots left now. I kinda wasted one because he didn't die. Just a load of SCG. I can't speak. I can't get up there. Come on, Ripley, you can climb, can't you? D. Oh, for God's sake. Where do I go? What do I do? I'm so confused. Maxed. Alright, where to next? That way? Is this gonna be? Is this the door that was locked? Yeah, oh yeah, it was. Yeah. Yeah, that message means nothing now. They're trying to kill us. Anything helpful on here? Plans. Security risk. Nothing else. Audio.
I have been camped out in Galleria Mall for maybe 24 hours. The people here, they're scared. But they still believe that martial ways will kill the creature. They forget other dangers. They forget themselves. People are turning on each other for food, for water. I cannot stay here.
Haha, you dead.
Where are you going?
Ah! I knew that was gonna happen. Can't believe it. I was just like, oh. What? No, I spammed E. Get off! What happened? Ugh, this is poo-poo. Let's just stay well out of reach. Yeah, boy. Out we get. And I hear a save point. Yeah.
Wait, it's Dr. Lingard. I've just examined a patient with, well, I've never seen anything like it. Some kind of unknown parasite.
Okay.
I did a quick check on the name they gave me, and there's no one registered under it at Sevastopol. I think she came on board
Oh, we're
recently.
here.
Do you know anything about this? I have no idea what Sinclair and his men were doing, but this should have been picked up during quarantine. Who knows what else they've let through? The patient and her captain are waiting for me in the
Well, we're here.
examination room. Get down here now.
Well, everyone's dead. I'm gonna make a save because we've got to the place we need to be. And we're gonna sneak, just carefully. Boo-da-boo. Oh, we got a friendly.
Rip, they're all dead.
The android slaughtered them.
Why? Why the fuck would
I don't know, but I think Samuels does.
Samuels? Why?
Wait, just
Wait,
dead.
sent him to access Apollo. I need to find him. Have you seen Taylor and Marlowe?
No.
They're not here. I think they may have got clear. Ricardo. Ricardo. If I go after Samuels, can you run this place? I need eyes and ears.
I'm not fucking staying here.
Ricardo, I need you to do this. Can you man the station and keep me covered? Ricardo!
Yeah, sure. Of course.
Sit tight. Lock the fucking doors and don't let anyone in. Look after me. I'll come back for you.
Right. Well then. This is turned into quite the problem. Hang on. Take the transit to the Psymed Tower. Okay, well we've been recording for about an hour now, which is good. We've done quite well. Seeing as though this is episode 9 and we've somehow completed episode 10 or level 10 in this one and the last one. I'm gonna stop here so that I can kind of like get up to speed with the episodes. I want them to be 18 episodes because there's 18 levels and things and so on and so forth. So this is where we're gonna leave it for today. I'm gonna make another save. I'm gonna go get a cup of tea and finish editing the last episode. Speak to Shane a bit. And yeah. Anyway, if you enjoyed this episode, please leave a like. It helps a lot. Subscribe, tap the notification bell to get told when new episodes come out. It sometimes works. And I'll see you all in the next episode. Goodbye.